I want to generate a lot of smart people around me. That's really where the strength of an organization is going to be. And to me, the other big thing is I need tomorrow's leaders too. And I think too many people are afraid in the world of educating. But for me, that's a great compliment that you have is to openly educate and empower the people around you to be equipped with the tools necessary to be very successful at your organization. And even better, and a lot of people will disagree with me, to be something higher up at some other organization. Because if I'm doing my job right, I get the best of the people, yeah, but I also give the people an opportunity to be great somewhere else. I think too many people are afraid of that and they don't invest enough in development of people because of that.